Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 5 best nutribullet blender. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 5 on the list is nutribullet Go Portable Blender. nutribullet Go is another newcomer on this list. To be frank, it looks pretty decent. Performance-wise, however, it's not on par with any of its siblings. A 70-watt motor is only good at mixing stuff. Don't expect a good blend with that kind of power. That is the main issue with cordless blenders. It lacks the power. Putting in more battery will make it bulky, defeating the purpose of being a portable blender. Anyway, suppose you're looking for a travel-friendly mixer for basic smoothie recipes or perhaps your protein shake. In that case, the nutribullet Go will serve you well. The number 4 on the list is nutribullet Blender. For starters, nutribullet RX is an old product. It's been around for quite a while now, but it's still the only nutribullet blender that can make a proper hot soup. It works like a Vitamix blender, which uses friction to generate heat. To be able to do that, it has to have a powerful motor. That is precisely what you'll get with the nutribullet RX, a 2.3 HP motor. It's even more powerful than what the nutribullet combo has. The brand released a successor for this model last year, the nutribullet Select. However, the motor is no match to the original soup maker. I doubt that it can also heat your puree the same way as the RX blender. The number 3 on the list is nutribullet Touch Combo Blender. The nutribullet Smart Touch Blender is an excellent new product from the brand. It's probably going to replace the nutribullet combo. They have the same functionality, but the recent one is a little smarter. It comes with a touch screen interface in a deep black glossy finish. I wouldn't mistake it for a cheap blender. It's elegant, but it's incredibly affordable. In terms of power, it also doesn't disappoint. It can take on any recipe you throw at it. You can make your traditional smoothies with it, and as well as recipes with a thicker consistency. It can also help you crush ice, make nut butter, baby food, soups, nut milk, etc. The number 2 on the list is Magic Bullet Blender. Aside from being the smallest nutribullet blender, Magic Bullet is also one of the most affordable. You can buy 3 of it at the price of our number 1 product. That's how cheap it is. Another reason to get this cute blender is the assortment of accessories you can have. Apart from the cups, you can also get 2 different blades, one for crushing ice and one for grinding coffee beans. This is, by the way, the original Magic Bullet. If you want an even smaller smoothie maker, you can go for the Magic Bullet Mini. One thing that I like about nutribullet blenders in general is the extensive selection of accessories. You can upgrade the blade base, and you can have as many cups as you need. I'll show you all of the compatible attachments in the accessories section. I have to warn you though, that it doesn't have a powerful motor. It won't fare that well on crushing ice, but thankfully you can get an optional blade designed specifically for that. The number 1 on the list is nutribullet Personal Blender. The nutribullet Pro 1000 is the newest, professional series model from the brand. It's crowned as the best nutribullet blender because of a few usability upgrades. The blade base is now easier to assemble and disassemble, and the cup ditched the lip ring accessory. I would guess that it's going to be the brand's flagship model moving forward. They are upping their game with a modern design language and user-friendly features. You still won't see any buttons with this model, inheriting the traditional twist and push mechanism.